Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my channel and thanks for coming to watch this video. This is an extension of my autumn breeze collection that I released in October. That collection is available in my membership club, and which is over on Ko-fi, or my coffee shop. I will put the link to that in the description box below if you're interested. So what I've created is a gratitude journal. So I have main pages, background pages, ephemera, some of the images some of you will recognize because they are the same images offered the first time, except this time they are more muted. They're not as vibrant as the first kit I released last month. So these are meant to either fold in half. This would be your front cover. This would be your back cover. Or if you're making a journal, you know, a separate journal, you can cut them in half and use them to decorate your cover. So there are 3 options for a front cover. This one I've printed on presentation paper, so the colors are more vibrant. This one I've printed on cardstock, so you can tell the colors are more muted on this one. And then the third option is the same as this one, except the background pattern is a tinier basket weave. So those are the cover options. And so this is one of the pages for your gratitude journal. There are prompts here, and then this is a daily plan. So what I had intended for this one is to print these back to back, and then when they're folded in a journal, like if you were to fold them like this, then you would turn the pages and it would be this page and this page back to back, back to back, back to back, if that makes sense. And then you can print as many as you want of those or need. And then this is the weekly. So let me give you an example. So last month I released this kit, and you can see that I've used it as the background page or the background scene for the new kit. Much more muted. So this one is the weekly gratitude, and same thing. If you print these back to back, you can have them, you know, page after page. And again, I have my my background in the background behind these. This one is different than the first one I showed you. It covers the entire page, and again, you can go front to back, but there are some prompts and where you can put the date. I love the colors, very pretty. I made a gratitude jar, and I love this. It's so cute. And basically every day you just write something tiny, small, one word or whatever, inside the jar. And then on this page, this says quotes that fill my heart, and you can just fill in a little quote there in each of the boxes. You can print this as many times as you would like. This one is a daily, and what you would do are the days are numbered here. You would write the current month. You can see that here, and then the current year. So that way you can use this next year as well. And basically, so on the 16th of November, you're gonna just use this space to write what you're grateful for that day. And then this page is music that moves me. And you can just write in 8 songs there. You can write a little excerpt of the lyrics of one of your favorite songs. This one is, if I can pick it up, the month of November. The year is written in the heart there. And this beautiful scenery. I just love this page. And this is muted colors because the original is very, very bright. And then I have a plain page that just says notes at the top, and it's like a bullet journal. It's dotted. Now I have this ephemera. So these are pockets. You would just cut out the white space in here, and then these 2 tags are sized to fit in those slots. And then, of course, the whale tail punch here, and then some cutouts. I do have this black line around, so it's a little easier to cut them out. And then this is a different style tab, and then some more whale tails. These are pockets. You just cut them out, fold in the flaps, fold up the flap, and attach those to your pages. I put a hole here. I did not do one here because I didn't want to cut out part of the book cover there in the background. These are flip pockets. So what you would do is fold them in half along this line, and then put a tiny bit of glue along this edge, and then this bottom edge. Fold it in half so that these 2 things form a pocket, and then this flap would go under something else. So basically you're making a flip. These tags are sized to fit in these pockets. And then a couple more die cuts there. And then there is this large envelope. This white box indicates where you would cut out, and then you can slide ephemera in the envelope, or you can use it as a traditional folded envelope. And then I made some mini file folders, and I have the left tab, middle tab, and the right tab, and they're all 3 different patterns. Then I have some more of these tabs, and some more whale tail tabs. And then I have background pattern pages. These are just the simple ones. That's actual on the paper. I have this very subtle checkerboard. It's like a creamy yellow, I guess. Then I have this larger plaid. I guess this color kind of reminds me of apricots or apricots. And then this is a different plaid with greens. And then these are slightly darker greens. And then, I don't know what you call it, the grid thing. I think this is called houndstooth. And then this fun polka dot. And then these polka dots. I'm sorry. Okay, now I have these double spread pages. And so again, the images that you see on one side of the paper are images that I released in the first kit, and these are muted colors. So now you have the option of doing the bright bold colors or the antiqued muted colors. These are autumn themed music sheets. This is a book cover, song lyrics, I chose this picture because it says my queen, and there's the bumblebees on the other side. Another book cover, 1892. And I believe this is music sheet cover. Another autumn themed music sheet. And another autumn music sheet. And again, you can just fold these in half and put them in your book, print them back to back. My intention is to cut them in half and add them to existing pages. Another music sheet. And a music sheet, sheet music cover. And another one. These are all autumn themed. It's so, I've so many of them. I love them. I love this deer. And then a book cover. This is from 1908. And then I have some patterned background papers. Got some pretty leaves, some different leaves. Now all of the colors are they're taken from my kit. So everything matches. These little pilgrim hats and these big turkeys. They're so cute. I couldn't help myself. I had to add that. And then this is tone on tone with pumpkins, leaves, and gourds. And this one is more subtle leaves and acorns. And this cute little robin, isn't he cute? So cute. And then lanterns and pumpkins, sunflowers, I think those are. I love them. Okay, so now I have journal prompts, and there are 145 prompts across, if I can get them up, across 4 pages. And what I thought I would do is maybe you could cut them into strips and then attach them to the page that you're working on. Or if there are short quotes, you could cut them apart and add them to the gratitude jar. Or you can just bind these into your book. Or you can fold them and then add them to a separate pocket so that they could all stay together, and you can just pull it out when you want. And that's it. So that is the whole kit. I hope you like it. I had a lot of fun creating this. A lot of the the planner part, those sheets were, I made them kind of for personal use, and I just thought I would share them. So again, these are available in my membership club. You can look in the description box below if you're interested. It is only $3 a month, and you get a lot of you get access to a lot of printables, a lot of digitals. So I hope you like it. Go and check it out. Join me on Facebook. I have a private Facebook group that is slowly growing, and it's really exciting. Not growing, growing. I will put that link below as well. And please do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you later today with another video. It's a process video of my gratitude journal. So I'm excited about that. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.